installing the handphone charger for this G30 530i 2018. It's compatible with any phone support wireless charging. It's purely plug and play. We have just removed this compartment from the car. As you can see, this wireless charger is direct replacement. So you can charge your phone here. Just leave it here, it will charge while driving. We have just finished install the wireless charger retrofit kit for the G30 BMW 530i 2018 model. It's a direct replacement for the compartment. So I don't have a compatible phone that support wireless charging, so this is just an old phone, iPhone 6. I'll just show you how it works. You just drop it there, it will charge for you. It's fast charging. So